Hello and welcome to NurseHack4Health hackathon. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. My name is Anshika. I'm the team specialist at Microsoft, and with me is Dan, also from Microsoft. In this video, we will talk about how do you get started with creating a new team, finding an existing team, and also to join or leave a team. For this hackathon, we have created an app called Team Builder, which is built right into Microsoft Teams. So if you can see my screen, here you can see there is Microsoft Teams, and then we have created a team called NurseHack4Health 2021 Fall Hackathon. Within that, you will see several different channels. So click on the general one, and then you will see a Team Builder tab right in the middle. Once this has loaded, a screen will pop up that will ask you to find a GitHub account or create a new one. So as you can see in the screen, it's asking you if you have a GitHub account. I do have one, but if you do not, you can just click on this Here's How. It'll open up in a new tab and you can go ahead and create your own profile. Once you have that GitHub account, you can go ahead and just type yours and click on search. It'll search through any GitHub user ID. If you recognize yours, click on that one and then just click I am ready. So once you are in this, you will get a couple of different options. The one thing, if you already have any kind of idea, you can click a team and you don't have maybe a team created yet. Now within this hackathon, we have different tracks. So the first thing that you will do is pick a challenge area. In this one, if you feel like any of your ideas match any of the tracks, go ahead and pick one. In my case, let me just pick track 2 here, give it a friendly name. I'll click Team Anshika and Dan, and then you can also give some kind of description here. I'm just going to put some sample description. This description is going to be really helpful if there are other people who go through any of the teams and want to see if the idea that you are proposing resonates with what they want to work on. So please make sure that you do write a longer description and then create a team. Once you create that team, behind the scenes, automatically a channel is created for you in the team. So it'll look something like this. The way you can see it is by clicking on this arrow and then click show. So then this channel pops up, and this is where you can use as a dedicated space to collaborate and ideate on your solution. So going back to Team Builder, say for example, you do not want to create a new team and you just want to look at what other ideas that people have in different tracks. So again, go back to your general channel, click on Team Builder. Once you click on Team Builder, say for example, you do not have a GitHub ID and you don't want to create one right away, you can just go and look at I am ready and then click on the different tracks. So click on these tracks and then you will see different teams that are there. Again, you'll find the name, a description, and the different kind of team members. So for example, if I want to go ahead and create join this team, just click and join, and then you'll see that now I am part of the Empower team. Again, if I want to leave, I want to edit or make any changes, I can go ahead and do that. So one of the things that we want you to keep in mind is if you do want to have a lot more discussions around the track with people who are even outside your team, make sure you go to any of these track channels here, and you can start any discussion, ask any questions from any experts you need to. And if you want to just collaborate within your team, click on your channel. And here you'll see you can start a new conversation or even start creating a meeting and having a solution. So you do not really have to wait for the hackathon to begin to start creating and forming a team or building anything at that moment. You can start doing that even before the hackathon. So we really highly recommend you to go to this team start looking at some ideas, start having discussions in these different channels, and then start working on your solution right away. So with that, I'll just hand it over to Dan. If you have anything else to add, let us know. Dan, you're on mute.
This always happens. No, I think you definitely covered it all. Yeah, just as Anshika mentioned, we do encourage you guys to hop on this right now, because the faster you get your team available for public to see, the more people you will be able to recruit and have that discussion before the hackathon starts. So yeah, all technical things have been answered, and of course we'll always be here for you if you have any questions in the teams. Go to the lounge. Questions for organizers if you have any questions, to reach out to us. So thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you.